what's that next stop? It's not Valhalla. Just like how the LRR skips Mineola, this train, it decided to screw over Valhalla and not give them any service on this train. We're about to get to Valhalla and watch what they're gonna do. Just like the Ronkonkoma train's not stopping at Mineola. The Southeast train, guess what? It's gonna skip Valhalla. We're about to arrive. We're not arriving, it's skip the station, see? This is what I'm talking about. The trains that go all the way to Scarsdale or Crestwood, they skip this stop. I don't know why. There's the Great Crossing, getting close to North White Plains. I don't know why they can't just stop at Valhalla. Yeah. But instead they give Hartsdale and Scarsdale extra service instead. Giving them 3 trains per hour, whereas Valhalla only gets 1. Across the platform. There's some nice looking M3s. M7s. I like them, but I don't like them as much. And there's the train. It's not going to be across the platform though. Still pulling in.
This station is North White Plains. As you leave the train, please watch the gap between the train and the platform.
And yes, we do have an M7 today.